Samsung washer rumbling and noisy when on spin cycle. Washer making crazy noise during spin cycle. Maybe drum bearing? It's definitely loose as you can see in the video. Any ideas or solutions? Thanks. Question from user BW0434 at Appliances at Reddit. Answer. Based on the information you have provided, it is possible that the drum bearing in your washer is worn and causing the noise during the spin cycle. A loose drum could also be a contributing factor to the noise. Here are some potential solutions to this problem. Call a professional. A qualified technician can inspect your washer and diagnose the problem correctly. They will have the necessary tools and knowledge to carry out repairs or replace any faulty parts. Replace the drum bearing. If the drum bearing is found to be faulty, it may need to be replaced. This is a complex repair that should be done by a professional technician. Tighten the drum. If the drum is loose, it may need to be tightened. This can be done by removing the washer's top panel and tightening the bolts that hold the drum in place. However, this repair is not recommended for inexperienced individuals as it can be dangerous. Check the shock absorbers. The shock absorbers in your washer may be worn or damaged, which can also cause excessive noise during the spin cycle. Replacing the shock absorbers may help to solve the problem. In any case, it is important to address the issue promptly to prevent further damage to your washer.